What's in my makeup drawer? Lipstick, mascara, eyeliner, eyeshadow, foundation, blush, makeup brushes, powder compact, mirror, perfume, nail polish, makeup remover, cotton pads, tweezers, hairbrush, comb.
Now repeat after me.
Lipstick, lipstick, mascara, mascara, eyeliner, eyeliner, eyeshadow, eyeshadow, foundation, foundation, blush, blush, makeup brushes, makeup brushes, powder compact, powder compact, mirror, mirror, perfume, perfume, nail polish, nail polish, makeup remover, makeup remover, cotton pads, cotton pads, tweezers, tweezers, hairbrush, hairbrush, comb, comb. Now you tell me what is in your makeup drawer.